Hey guys, Jay Howerton, Service Manager, Neil Huffman Acura. Was your car slow to start this morning, or did you notice a bunch of random lights on the dash? These could be some signs that your battery is getting weak and may need to be replaced. Your battery provides electrical power to the starter and fuel system when you're trying to start the vehicle. It also supplies electricity to the vehicle when the engine isn't running, so you can listen to the radio. While the engine's running, the battery cushions sensitive onboard electronics from spikes in current or voltage. Short drives, corrosion buildup at the terminal, and seasonal changes in temperature can all shorten your battery's life. If you think your battery may be getting weak or feels a little sluggish while starting, please feel free to pull in for a complimentary battery test today. Only the genuine equipment Acura battery is designed specifically to meet or exceed the original performance specifications of the battery that came from the factory. So it will be just as powerful, or in some cases, even more powerful than the one it's replacing.
As always, our parts and service department is committed to earning your loyalty and trust by helping to prolong the life of your vehicles. Huffman has it.